Wee. Okay, let's not put on. Wee. Oh. Ooh. Mm. Mm. Okay, it happened to me already. Happened to me already. Happened to me already. You're mine now. Bro, let me rope you. Okay, you're done. But today, we're gonna scream to jump. Guys, I had to join another game.
That's kind of hilarious. I think I wrapped it around the wrong way. Whatever. Where are we going again? Oh, we're going to school.
Okay. Where's my dang?
Sure. That's pretty inviting.
Where is it?
Okay.
Yo.
Planets,
Yo. Okay, guys. If one of y'all are in this video, then subscribe to so I can make sure. Okay, guys, I found this game. Okay. Yes. Favorite. I don't care. Bro, I was just scream to jump. Well, we can just literally just use jump. Anyways, guys, until I beat this game, I just wanted to give a big shout out to whoever subscribed to me first. So, and that person was my Roblox friend. He used to be, but he was, but he had to go. He had to go to the airport, and he had to see his dad because he was having cancer. I feel bad for him, but he subscribed to me to make him feel better. Because when I'm happy, he's happy. Like, happy, happy, happy. Anyways, his dad was mean anyways. I did not like him. Okay, guys, are y'all gonna report me to YouTube and Roblox? That's not cool. But what do you mean? Huh? We. Okay, guys, we're just gonna act like it. We. Okay, guys. There. Oh, here. Lily. That was my foster sister.